Hello IG Garage family. Is your check engine light on with the P0167 code? That means the oxygen sensor heater circuit for bank 2, sensor 3 is malfunctioning. A faulty heater circuit can lead to delayed sensor readings, poor fuel efficiency, and higher emissions. But don't worry. Today, I'll explain what P0167 means, where to find the affected sensor, and how to fix it quickly. Stick around, because fixing this issue now can save you from costly repairs. What does P0167 mean? The P0167 Trouble Code indicates that the oxygen sensor heater circuit in bank 2, sensor 3, is not working correctly. The heater helps the sensor reach operating temperature faster, allowing accurate fuel adjustments. If the heater circuit fails, the sensor may take longer to activate, leading to incorrect air-fuel ratio readings and reduced performance. Symptoms of P0167, check engine light on, poor fuel efficiency, increased emissions, and rough idle during cold starts. Common causes of P0167. A blown fuse or relay can prevent power from reaching the sensor heater. Wiring or connector issues such as corrosion or damage in the heater circuit wiring can cause failure. A faulty oxygen sensor may have an internal heater failure, and in rare cases the ECU may fail to send the correct signals. Bank 2 is the side of the engine that does not contain cylinder number 1. Sensor 3 is located further downstream in the exhaust system, typically after the second catalytic converter. You'll find it attached to the exhaust pipe underneath the vehicle. The heater circuit is connected to the vehicle's ECU via a wiring harness. A blown fuse, broken wire, or bad relay can cause heater circuit failure. Checking these components is crucial before replacing the sensor. First, check the fuse and relay. Locate the fuse box and check the oxygen sensor heater fuse. Replace any blown fuse and test the relay for proper function. Check the fuse and relay. Locate the fuse box and check the oxygen sensor heater fuse. Replace any blown fuse and test the relay for proper function. Alright, let's move on to inspecting the wiring and connectors. First, look for any damaged, corroded, or disconnected wires. If you find any faulty wiring in the heater circuit, you'll need to repair or replace it. This step is crucial to ensure everything is functioning properly. 3. Test the oxygen sensor heater circuit. Use a multimeter to check for proper voltage at the sensor connector. If the sensor is not receiving power, check the wiring and relay. 4. Replace the oxygen sensor if needed. If the heater circuit inside the sensor is faulty, replace the sensor with an OEM or high-quality aftermarket part. 5. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD2 scanner to clear the P0167 code. Drive for a few miles to ensure the check engine light doesn't return. That's how you fix P0167 and keep your car running efficiently. Fixing this issue will restore fuel economy and prevent further engine problems. If you found this video helpful, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more car repair tips from IG Garage. Also, check out these related videos. 1. P0087, fuel rail, system pressure too low. 2. P0088, fuel rail, system pressure too high. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.